Hey guys, how's it going? How to limit charging to 80% on iPhone. So first of all, just go ahead to your shortcuts right here, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the automation at the below middle right here, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit the plus button, and from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down till you find the battery level. So basically what's gonna happen in the battery level, if you set it to above 50% or under 50% or equals 50%, or in my case I'm gonna just keep it 95 or 90, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and hit next, and basically what's gonna happen right here, you're gonna see, you can set it a notification that allows you to know that your battery reached 90%, right? Or you could just set a low power mode or show notification. So basically I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click speaker text basically, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead into typing or wait until finished or something like that, and basically add right here text or something like that, and basically you're gonna say notification, for example, notification about your charger. Okay, and basically you're gonna just hit right here done, and you're gonna hit done. Basically now your notification will appear whenever you reach the battery level of 90%. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.